Tomorrow is going to be absolutely massive, and I personally think it's honestly going to be very bullish. XRP is about to make a massive move, and I'm going to prove it to you guys right now. You better get ready. Do not fall asleep. The market looks boring and bearish right now, but those are the moments when the market really starts to go crazy and take off. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys exactly what's going on tomorrow, what you should be expecting. Altcoins are looking extremely bullish. Let's get into it right now. This guy thinks by just having 1,000 XRP could potentially change your life. What do you guys think about this? I mean, if you guys buy 1,000 XRP right now and XRP really goes crazy in price, in the future, this really could make a massive difference. Just like buying Bitcoin many years ago, holding it, same type of thing. Also, look at this. XRP stumbles, but analysts still see a path to $70 per coin. That's honestly incredible. I don't know about $70 this cycle, but in the next cycle, I think that this could honestly be quite realistic. Let me know your price predictions, how high you think XRP could possibly go in the next 4 years. $70 does not seem honestly too bad. But most importantly, we need to take a look at the charts. What the heck is going on? As well, tomorrow is going to be a massive day. You see, if you go to forexfactory.com, you can see what is going on in the economic calendar tomorrow. And we see at 2 p.m. Eastern, the federal funds rate, FOMC projections. We have the statement. And then at 2:30, we of course have Jerome Powell coming on, discussing, in the press conference, the questions and the data and everything that's going on. So this is going to be very important. What I can particularly forecast is that they're probably going to keep rates the same. We have gotten really good inflation data, but that is not enough consistent data to make them to want to cut. It could happen though. It could happen. It's not likely. If they do cut, the markets will pump very hard. If they don't cut, the markets could also maybe pump a little bit. They could have some type of bullish reaction. But what's going to be the most important thing is going to be the statement, which probably isn't going to be anything crazy. And it's going to be most likely the press conference. The most important thing is going to be the press conference if they do not cut rates and they keep rates the same. The press conference is where you have all these people from the different press outlets. They're talking to Jerome Powell, asking him questions and what he thinks. This is where a lot of the new information comes that can pump or dump the market. I think the press conference could be somewhat bullish because the last press conference, the market basically had nuked and dumped the last two FOMCs because inflation was not coming down. It was kind of hot. But now with the recent inflation data, we are showing inflation coming down faster than expectations, which shows that inflation is coming down hard and quick. And honestly, I'm getting these alerts every day, like housing prices are coming down, interest rates are coming down, egg prices are coming down, gas prices are coming down. And that's what Trump is doing with these tariffs. He's causing the prices to drop very hard. And ultimately, he said he wants to lower rates. These are some of the strategies that Trump is doing to lower rates. The Fed is going to probably start cutting more aggressively in the next few sessions of FOMC. So I'm looking forward to a very bullish next couple of months. But that's kind of what we should expect. If Powell says something along the lines of in tomorrow's press conference, we're based on the recent data, we're probably going to have to start cutting more aggressively, the market is going to love that. But if they're like, this is not enough inflation data, we have to wait for the next session, that's to be expected. And the market should not go crazy on that. Anything different from what I'm telling you is going to spook or scare the market. If they're like, we're not cutting anymore this year, no matter what, the markets will crash and not like that. If they say that, we're going to probably cut next session, that's going to be somewhat bullish. And if they start talking about cutting faster and more aggressively, that's going to be the more bullish, dovish outlook for the Fed. So that's what you should be expecting. Right now, very important. The market had pulled back from this weekend's pump, which is to be expected, de-risking into FOMC. That's what a lot of smart money does. And if we take a look at the altcoin market, it is bouncing after the pullback. It's looking really, really good. The main thing is, ladies and gentlemen, we want Bitcoin to break and hold above 85,000. If this can happen, this is going to be very, very, very bullish. This is going to probably set us up for a massive pump in the coming days. I think from our current prices until the end of this coming weekend, we will probably see higher prices. I think Bitcoin could possibly push up into like the $92,000 region. I think XRP is going to most likely follow Bitcoin, and we could see 260. We might see 260 by this weekend if everything is bullish and on track. This is personally what I am expecting. Another thing, if we take a look at the Ethereum to Bitcoin chart, we can see Ethereum is starting to outperform Bitcoin here after literally selling off this entire bull market against Bitcoin. ETH BTC could be bottom. This could be a bottom for Ethereum. And one thing that's interesting about Ethereum is the biggest altcoin in the world. And when it starts to outperform Bitcoin, it shows that there's a capital rotation coming into altcoins. So this is something that I'm paying attention to, and I'm honestly going to be buying some Ethereum if we can break and hold above this around, give or take, $2,000 region. Make sure you guys are in the Patreon. I tell you guys exactly when to get in and out of positions. And this weekend we sold. I told everybody to sell because we were most likely going to pull back. And now you can buy at discounts to get free cryptos if you buy back in right now, if you guys follow those alerts. And we also secured massive profits by buying the crashes these last couple of weeks and taking profits multiple times. So make sure you are in the Patreon right now for immediate access for that. And if you guys want to learn how to trade cryptocurrencies full time, go ahead and apply through the video description for my mentoring. You definitely want to check that out. And again, guys, look at this. ALGOSNIPER, you get a sell alert before a big crash takes place. You will also get a buy alert on every single major bottom. This is what you guys want to be using to be trading. This thing you guys can try today for $1 at algosniper.com. And if you guys are going to be trading cryptos, make sure you are trading over on Blowfin this morning. Last night, the market looked kind of bearish. We had some like war news, so I decided to short Bitcoin, which I made $2,500 in honestly just a few hours. This platform is incredible. You're going to have the cheapest fees on the internet. You can long and short any crypto up to 150x leverage, and you can get up to a $100,000 deposit bonus for free by just depositing and trading your money over on this platform. That's going to be it for this video. So if you guys got something out of this video, consider giving this video a thumbs up, subscribing with notifications on, and I'll see you later.